Doc, gusto kong kuminis agad-agad. Sobrang impatient ko. Alam niyo naman na, pag derma ang kausap niyo, syempre, we cannot promise that. Pero ito yung mga pinakamabilis ang results sa mga procedures natin. Una, si Blaumann Fresh. So, si Blaumann is a laser. Pwede siyang gawin sa whole face. Right after the procedure, sobrang powdery ng face. And then you can feel na parang kuminis ka talaga. Pumuti yung skin mo. Very good ito kung meron kang event this day or kinabukasan, no? Talagang parang yung skin mo sobrang fresh. No downtime, pain, 0 out of 10 for me. And sobrang chill lang niya. So, yun yung number 1. Number 2 for instant keenness, KBK Juvelook. Si KBK Juvelook, hindi siya agad-agad, no? Hindi siya yung kinabukasan, makinis ka na. Pero for me, nung ginawa ko siya, 1 week, then paganda siya ng paganda. 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, paganda pa siya ng paganda. As soon as 1 week, you can see yung pores mo lumiit, nag-brighten yung face pumuti, no? Then nag-glass. I think Juvelook is one of the faster working na procedures namin here sa clinic. Number 3, KBK Regeran. Also one of my favorites. Si Regeran, ni-inject yan or pwede rin gamitan ng gun. I would say same timeline as Juvelook. 1 to 2 weeks, you can already appreciate your skin. Nag-glass skin, nag-glow, nagiging smooth siya. Then number 4, if you want instant lifting and volume, kunwari lubog dito, laugh line, marionette line, then definitely go for threads, no? Kasi pagkapasok ng thread, angat agad. Duo 10 threads for here, the laugh line, the marionette line. Yun yung thread namin na 18 threads in one cannula. We also have porcupine threads. We put it here, dito sa jaw, and also dito. So, pagkalagay ng porcupine threads, angat agad dito, angat agad. Instant almost. If you're interested with these procedures, and if you have any questions, come visit us at clinic.